a really well lit up person and a dark background. Let's see how well this does. We're going to once again unlock this layer, drag and drop the person over here, and just scale the person down. Let's say right about here. We're going to remove the background and let's position the person right about here. I would say a little bit smaller. Click on Harmonize. Let's see how well this does. I'm actually really curious to see the results. Whoa, that is, wow, that is really good. That has done such a good job. This one's even better. Oh, that second one, it's captured everything. We've got the light flare, we've got the darkness, we've got a nice subtle shadow at the bottom. I am speechless, but I'm really happy with that result. You can see the before and after, some really good results. This looks professionally edited. Let's say that we wanted to include multiple people in this one photo. We're just going to first of all expand this image so we can fit everyone onto here. We're going to select generative expand in the fill and then just click on generate. That one's actually really good. We're happy with that one. We can just enhance the details on this one. And there we go. From here, we're going to start off with this person and remove the background. We're going to place this person right near the fire. We're just going to flip and then harmonize. The great thing is both of these backgrounds already blend well as it is, as you can see near the grass, but this will just fix up the lighting and make it look better. Same as the shadows as well. Wow, that is honestly mind-blowing. Just look at these results. That one's a little bit off. I would definitely say the first one is the most accurate and the correct tone. We have the color correction on the person. Now let's also include this one. I'm going to be surprised if it can remove the background because we have a lot of complex things in the scene. So I'll be curious to see what it keeps. Okay, very accurate. Let's go ahead and include the people. They are going to be a little bit bigger right about here, I would say. Let's scale them down a little bit right up to here. And then once again, harmonize. Let's see how well it can blend the people. There we go. It's just applied a little bit of a grain or sort of washed off color. We can have a look at the other variations. This one's a little bit darker. And then this one is okay. It's not bad. In this situation, the third one and the second one, I would say this one is the most accurate. But yeah, within a few seconds, and it was so effortless. It feels like I am just dragging and dropping images and just pressing a single button. We now have that technology at our fingertips. It is so simple. Even someone who isn't familiar with Photoshop, who is a complete beginner, can just press a few buttons and there we go. You've edited a photo.